Hello everyone, today I'm going to make a mac and cheese bake with Godrej Yummies masala chicken nuggets, and these are hygienically packed, rich in protein, full of nutrition, and are frozen using IQF technology, which is also known as individual quick frozen method, which locks nutrients and maintains quality and texture. Hi, I'm Indrani Sen and I'm a part of Home Chef Matters organized by FBAI and sponsored by Vikroli Cucina Godrej Yummies. I'm using Godrej Yummies masala chicken nuggets for making mac and cheese bake, and with a lot of vegetables. I have taken a lot of vegetables like broccoli, carrots, baby corn, parboiled, and then I am taken tomato puree. I have boiled the tomato and paste with garlic. Then one onion, I have finely chopped it. Then ginger garlic paste. Then cream, half cup of cream. Then cheddar cheese grated. And then I have taken a zucchini also chopped, and macaroni boiled. Above all that, you have to take a bunch of basil leaves and chilies, red chili if you like spicy. So the first step for making the masala chicken nuggets with mac and cheese bake is to fry them. You can just conveniently fry them on high heat, and the oil here is already heated before. And do not thaw the chicken nuggets. You just drop them slowly in the oil and don't crowd the pan. The oil should be medium to high heat and be there so that they are light brown fried, and they are so delicious and crispy, and you can easily make ghar ka fast food with this chicken nuggets, and I'm sure kids will love it. Just fry them on medium to high heat till they become light brown, or if you want more crispy, you can make them a little darker brown. I love them soft and juicy inside, and they are very succulent and juicy. Once they are fried, you take them out in a pan and keep them on a paper towel to drain out the extra oil. This keeps them crispy for a longer time. Now let's start preparing the sauce. In the oil, I give chopped onions. Saute the onions till they become light brown, and then add the tomato garlic puree which I have prepared. Continue to stir. Add ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, this will give color to the sauce. Keep on stirring. Add salt as desired. As the mixture gets cooked and the oil starts showing on the sides, we start adding the vegetables. First I added the zucchini, which is not cooked. Then I add the boiled vegetables, the broccoli, the carrots, baby corn. You can add mushrooms too. Then I add the cream. Before adding the cream, take care that the sauce should be cooked and no rawness should be there. We add the cream and mix. Medium cake mold I have taken. I added the basil for the aroma. Mix it. Then I take a square pan and in that I keep a layer of the sauce. Generously layer it so that the bottom is covered. Then I add a layer of macaroni which is already boiled. If you want to take any other pasta shapes, you can take it. Just layer it with macaroni. You add another layer of sauce and top it with the macaroni, and then add a layer of cheddar cheese, and then we top it with the chicken nuggets. Top it with lots of grated cheese again. And then garnish with cherry tomatoes and chopped basil leaves, fresh basil leaves. This will give freshness to the dish. And then I bake this at 200 degrees for 20 minutes till the cheese is fully melted. And now my delicious mac and cheese bake with Yummy's chicken nuggets is ready. And see, the dish is so colorful. Anyone will like this. I hope you have liked the video. Thank you for watching.